In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to cancel Natwest Platinum account. If you've decided to cancel your Natwest Platinum account, follow these steps. Begin by gathering your account details, including your account number and any associated cards. And dial Natwest customer support at 037-033-39091. Follow the prompts to reach a customer agent and inform them that you want to cancel your Natwest Platinum account. Be ready to provide necessary details to verify your identity, and listen to the agent's instructions and follow them carefully. Ask for information that your account has been cancelled and keep an eye on your account statements to ensure no further charges are incurred. Next, safely dispose any of physical cards and documents associated with the account, and if needed, follow up with Natwest customer support for any further assistance. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.